Congratulations on making it to Harmony 1, where we're going to be talking about triads. Now, before we get into triads, let's define harmony and listen to some examples and watch some video. So harmony is when two or more pitches or notes sound at the same time. Melody is horizontal. We can think about melody. We have one note at a time. You know, it happens first note, second note, third note, fourth note. Whereas harmony happens vertically because we stack notes on each other, just like a harmonic simple interval where we had those note heads right on top of each other. So even though the note heads, if we look at two harmonic intervals in a row, for example, we can see that sure enough, they're happening from left to right, just like you would read regular notes. There's also something happening up and down. So when we think about harmony, it's not just happening from left to right, it's also happening up and down because we're stacking notes on top of each other. So let's take a moment and listen to example 76 together. We're going to listen one time and then I'll break it down on the second time through. So this time I'm going to talk through it. Okay, so already, you remember our example for melody, we had one line. Now we have three lines, and you can hear there's three different sounds happening at the same time for each one of these dots right here. You can see that each one of these dots, don't mind the playhead there. Again, three sounds together at the same time, three new sounds together. So you can see that it is indeed happening from left to right, but there also is something happening from top to bottom, or bottom to top. So that is harmony. Multiple notes happening together at the same time, from left to right, through time, just like regular single notes happen. But that there's this extra thing, we're stacking all these notes on top of each other to create very different sounds than one note at a time. I will see you in the next lesson. Hey there, if you want to learn more about music theory, I highly recommend right now going to grab the 10 things everyone should know about music theory. It's a free download for you that you can get right now. There's a link in the description, also in the pinned comment below this video. So what are you waiting for? Go grab that thing and I will see you in the next video.